In front of me is OPPO K13 Turbo, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. I managed App Permission Manager on many OPPO devices, and the only issue is that it's really difficult to find. So if you want to find it, just follow all of those steps and I can assure you, you will. First, go into Settings, then scroll and choose Security and Privacy section. Now you need to scroll down, and as you can see, Permission Manager, it's not here. That's because you need to click on Privacy Controls first, and then access it at the top. Then just manage it however you want to. Begin by picking any feature you are interested in managing. I want to manage my camera access, so I have to click here. Then select one of your apps you wish to manage by clicking on it under one of those categories. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. In my case, Amazon Music from not allowed one. Now you can tap on any of those options to apply it and go back. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to apply this one, so when I click and go back, I can see that Amazon Music just gained access to my device's camera while I'm using this app. But not many people know that you can also pick any feature and then look for an app you really want to manage. Like for example, AliExpress. Click on it, and instead of picking one of those options, select this tiny text at the bottom, CO permissions. Then you can manage all of those only for chosen app the same way, which is my favorite way to manage my permissions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!